You must be Scooby Doo.
Professor Pericles?
A pleasure to meet you, my clover-toed comrade. Sorry it had to be under such dire circumstances. Fortunately for Crystal Cove, I'm here to help.
You are?
Oh, I know what you are thinking. Why would I ever deign to help those who locked me up like a common beast, despite the power of my diabolical mind?
Not exactly what I was thinking, but...
As much as I enjoy seeing my captors tormented, I will not let my home be destroyed by some tied-up hippie. The only question that remains is, will you help me?